In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on WhatsApp Web. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result that takes you to the web.whatsapp.com page. It's a good idea to check for the secure padlock in the address bar so you know you're on the legitimate site. On the screen, you'll see a QR code. To sign in, scan that QR with your phone so you're logged into the same account you use on mobile. In the WhatsApp app, you can find the scanner under Linked Devices. Hold your phone steady and make sure you have a solid internet connection. In some regions, WhatsApp may offer login using your phone number. If you see that option, follow the on-screen prompts. Either way, once you authenticate, you'll be logged in. After you're in, confirm you're seeing your chats and profile as expected. If you're on a shared computer, avoid saving the session when prompted. Now, navigate to the individual or group chat where you want to post the poll. Polls work great in groups for quick decisions, but they can also be helpful in one-on-one chats to confirm choices like meeting times or preferences. Look to the message area at the bottom of the chat. Next to the text box, click the attach icon. Depending on your interface, it may look like a plus symbol or a paperclip. From the attachment options that appear, select Poll. It's usually represented by a small bar chart icon. In the poll window, start by typing your question in the question field. You have up to 205 characters, so keep it clear and concise. Aim for wording that's specific and neutral, so people understand exactly what they're voting on. Next, add your options. Enter each voting choice in its own field. You can include up to 12 options, but try to keep the list focused for easier decision-making. Short, distinct labels work best and help avoid confusion. If you want to change the order of the options, click and drag the 4-line handle next to an option to move it up or down. Arrange them in the order that makes the most sense, often from most likely to least likely, or grouped by type. By default, voters can select multiple answers. If you want everyone to pick just one, toggle off. Allow multiple answers. Choose what fits your use case. Multiple selections are great for preference checks. Single choice is best for decisions. When everything looks good, click the send icon, the green arrow, to publish your poll to the chat. Participants will see it immediately and can vote. You can monitor responses in real time and, if needed, follow up with a message for context or next steps. If you need to change the question after sending, create a new poll with the revised text.